Yeah guys, from when you reach us up, you know say you by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so you don't know what going on, and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe, and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC. Epic. If you are a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, and you don't know the trick, so catch you now. Take in the intro, guys.
We're so forward.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
So forward.
Welcome back guys, and a happy new year if this is your first time over here or your first time back on our cooking channel. So let's get right into it, and these are the ingredients. We have our garlic and onion powder, pimento seeds, salt and pepper, the star of the show, or chicken breast. And as you know, we're just gonna go right in and season this, and as Chef Reid always said, season from high so it's evenly spread, right? And guys, don't worry, we always clean our meat before we come on camera, right? And you can wash your meat with vinegar, lime, whatever cleaning agent you have, right? Some salt and pepper mixture. And generous with the seasoning, guys. Generous, right? Rub him in. You are the one in charge here, right? So Chef Reid, what you have to say?
Yeah guys, when you don't see what going on, you know, Chef Alexander in charge, you know the chefs.
Yes,
you don't know the chefs, you don't know the thing going on. So while a Pepsi go and take you in the work.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, so you can look over the Instagram, because we post over there every Sunday and Saturday. Chef Alexander posts on a Saturday and Chef Reid posts on a Sunday.
Yes guys.
So start follow, take in the bad picture them, the bad video them, like up everything, and make we know say you are from Chef Reid and Chef Alexander and come from. So
guys, that is it. We're not gonna add the pimento seed as yet. When we're putting it in the pot, then we'll add that. So we're so forward.
Yeah guys, so the seed now go add right now, but you can crack some pimento on it.
Yes, I almost forget.
You understand guys? So
crack some of that pimento.
Yeah, see it, you don't realize?
Yes guys, and we're gonna do this on both sides.
I want the flavor
evident.
Oh gosh.
Yes guys, and rub it up. So you can marinate this for 30 minutes to an hour or however long you have. So we're just gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes, and then we will get back to you guys. So
soon forward when it are going at the hot aisle.
So forward.
Bang bang boom.
Yes guys, we're back again, and the oil is at the correct temperature that we want it. So we'll just put the chicken breast in the oil, or submerge the chicken breast in the oil, and you will do this skin side down, and remember, lay away to prevent splash and
burn.
Yes guys.
So watch what going on guys.
And quickly we're gonna add some rosemary, garlic, pepper, scallion, and some pimento seed, guys. Remember, this is a pimento chicken, right? And we will allow this to sear for 8 to 5 minutes on each side, but so we can always give it a check.
5 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes. Yes guys, my bad.
So it's going to sear, extract all of the flavor from the pepper, the garlic, the rosemary, and the scallion.
Yes guys.
And then we give it a turn, because we want the skin side crispy. I should say perfect. So
yes guys.
We're so forward again when we give this a turn, guys.
So forward. Yes guys.
It's about that time.
So we're going to get this on the road, right?
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Perfect.
And so the pimento evident, guys, and the skin crispy, as we said before.
Watch here, watch here. The aroma is a
perfume for the kitchen.
Yes
so
guys. And this thing here, this is called coagulation. That's when your protein is being cooked. If you didn't know,
now you know.
Yes guys, we're so forward again.
Go and take it in. Don't go nowhere if you are drinking and get a special. If you are smoker, grab what you like. You don't know the thing, but we're so forward again.
Yes guys, so it's that time, removal time. So guys, we'll catch you guys back again Look at it. Yes, we're gonna catch you guys back again when we are doing the plating, so don't go nowhere. Move forward. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video.
Yes guys, so I don't see what go on. The banger plating now.
Look at that. Yes guys, this is our raisin mash. Raisin mash. Two combination, them a work out? Yes, they do. Give it a try and tell us what you think. Place your order. Let us do it for you. Coming right along with the string beans. Guys, remember, eat up your vegetables, right? This is important in this time. Right on top there is our chicken. Yeah, that feel like him want, yeah. Feel like more catch him, so what you guys think? Alright, I think that's it. That's where I want it, right? But him not stop drop off, guys. Can't move again, you know. Can't move. Right there. Yes guys, just go and take it in, right? Yeah, focus. We have to focus, you know. One right there, paying attention to details.
Tell me what you think, guys.
Yes guys, so there you have it. Or pimento chicken breast. Yes guys. Yes guys, look at that. Beautiful, right? Remember to follow our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. And guys, we recently made a chef TikTok, so you can follow us over there. We will put it in the description down below. And if you've made it this far, drop some red hearts in the comment section down below. If you enjoy the plating that you're seeing, feel free to share because you care. Yes guys, and feel free to check out our couples channel, that's King and Ali. Yes guys, and this is a wrap. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang bang boom.